What's going on, world? It's me, Andre Cat, down here from West Palm Beach, Florida. So I want to show you guys some pairs that I'm looking at for this upcoming week, and I think we got some good setups. So first thing first, if you guys, before I get into everything and show you the pairs and show you my chart markups, if you guys want to be able to copy my exact same trades, right? That's coming from the EA automatically over to your account, hands free. I only charge a one-time fee of $500, and you'll be able to copy the same exact trades that's being placed on my account from my EA. All right. Um, the reason why I'm charging $500, I could be charging a lot more than $500. $500 is really on the low side, but I could be charging 1,000 plus for this EA. But this EA can literally make your money back in one day, like literally. And not only that, you can use this on a live account. You can use this on a live funded account, or a prop firm challenge, or live account. It doesn't matter. This EA will still produce you some great results, and I'm only charging a one-time fee of $500 to connect your account to this same EA. All right. So if you got any questions on that, just reach out to me. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below to my Instagram account, and you can message me on, shoot me a DM on Instagram, and just let me know, hey Andre, I'm interested in copying your trades from the EA, and I got you right. Only a one-time fee of $500. All right, so let's get into it. So the EA, not the EA, but the pairs that I'm looking at is GBP Chef. All right, this is on top of my list. All right, now um, this could go either way. Doesn't exactly have to go exactly the way at how I'm planning it out. But I will be paying attention to this pair. I will be paying attention on how it moves off of this zone that I have that you're looking at on the screen here. All right, this zone, this blue zone right here, is my area of interest. Okay, my weekly and daily area of interest, and I'm looking for price to reject this area of interest. All right, what I want to see. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys what I really want to see. All right, price is at my area of interest, but I want price. All right, this is what I want price to do. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I want to do. So I'm gonna break it down to the 30 minute. All right, I'm looking for a 30-minute shift. All right, 30-minute shift of structure. So this is what I want this to do. I want this to either come move like this, all right, and break this structure here. Okay, and come down and break this structure here. All right, and then what I want to do is I want to go to the 1 hour, and I want to see a bearish engulfing. All right, I want to see a bearish engulfing. Let me see if I can actually show you what I really want to see. I think I gotta go here. Can I go here? I'll just do this here. All right, but I'm gonna turn it around. Hey, can I turn this around? I don't know if I can turn this around. Okay, cool. I can turn it around. All right, so this is what I want to see. All right, let's see here. I want to see this candle, the next candle, right? That form. Oh, no, it's just too big here. I can't turn it around. Okay, I gotta do is move this side. All right. Oh. I want this candle to close and create a bearish engulfing like this. All right. Now the other scenario is this. This what might happen. All right. Price might come back up. I'm going to go back to the 30-minute. Price might come back up like this, like this, like this. All right. Might come up. Price might come up like this. Now, if it does that, the same thing. I'm waiting for a shift of structure right on the 30 minutes. So this is what I want to see. I want to see the next candle close below this area right here to create a lower low. All right, and to potentially go ahead and create a potential lower high, and boom, that's what I want to see. All right, and then again, once this area breaks this little structure here to the downside and create a low, I want to see a bearish engulfing on the 1 hour, bearish engulfing, or on the 2 hour or the 4 hour. The higher the time frame, the stronger the bearish engulfing. the stronger the move to the downside. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. Okay, that's what I'm looking for on GBP Chef. I'll keep you guys updated. Now, what if price? If we go back to the 30 minute, what if price never does that? Then I don't take the trade. Right, price can go all the way up here like this. Right, I won't take the trade. All right, simple as that. If price doesn't create my strategy at my area of interest, I'm not taking the trade. Okay. Um, this is a strategy that I learned from Alex G, but I want to see a 30-minute shift at the area of interest in this zone, in this area here, and I want to see a bearish golfing either on the 1 hour, the 2 hour, or the 4 hour. And then what I'm going to do is where I'm going to take it. So where would I take it? Let's see where I would I take it. I would want to take it. I would want to take it down to here, this area here. All right, this is where I would want to take it. You guys can see that. I would want to take price down to. So let's say about right there, and then maybe have my stop like right there, and then bring it down to here. Maybe even have a bigger stop loss because or like yeah, not even bigger stop loss because if price comes up here in this area, then that means the price is creating some bullish movements. But I want to bring it down like that. That's a 5R risk to reward. All right. So I'm risking, like for example, I'm risking, um, yeah, to make 500 to $5,000. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at. This is where I'm looking to take it down to. If you guys are interested in taking that trade, pay attention to my stories. But the same move is also happening on Euro Chef, but Euro Chef is not at the area of interest just yet. So once Euro Chef comes up into this area here, same thing. I'm looking for the same thing. 30-minute shift, and then I'm looking for a 1 hour or a 1 hour or 2 hour or 4 hour bearish engulfing off of this zone. That's when I'm going to take the trade. Now, if price does this, does this, does this, does this, does this, does this, I'm not taking the trade. Okay? It has to create a 30-minute shift or a bearish engulfing on the 1 hour, 2 hour, or the 4 hour off of the zone to the downside. That's the only time I will take the trade. If it doesn't do that, I won't take the trade. Okay? So I will be patient on that, and then most likely I will be holding this trade for a couple of days or even a week. All right, this is going to be a swing trade. Both of these pairs, I'm looking to trade this for a swing trade. I mean, I'm going to hold this trade for days, maybe a week or a week and a half, till it gets close to my TP. Okay. Let me see. Now, there's another potential pair that could possibly go up to the upside is NZDJPY right now. Price is exactly at my area of interest here. Again, I want to see a 30-minute shift. This is NZDJPY here. I want to see a 30-minute shift. So right now, it's under my area of interest, right? So this is what I want to see. Although I want to see this. I want to price to close below this area here. So I want to see a 30-minute shift on a 30-minute to break this point right here. Once I see a 30-minute shift there, then I'm going to go to the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 4 hour to wait for a bullish engulfing. All right, and then I will take the trade. Also, price is oversold on the 4 hour as well. So we'll see what happens. Okay. Let me see here. Okay. So yeah, that's that for that. Let me see if there's any other pairs. Now I believe there's a head and shoulder pattern on NZD. Let me see here. think I had a drone up here somewhere. Um, NZD, where are you? Okay. I think there's a head and shoulder pattern either on the 30 minute. Is it on the 30 minute? 15 minute? I don't know. But anyways, I'm also going to be paying attention to NZD USD. Now, I also want to talk about some crypto pairs that I'm looking at. Right, I'm looking at BTC. Um, what I want BTC to do is I want BTC is to come down into this area here and reject, or have BTC come back down here to this area of interest here, and reject and head to the upside. Now, I'm also looking at ADA, which is Cardona. This is what could happen here. Well, actually, it's like price. Well, on one of my areas, this is a new area that I just drew here. Um, I keep on touching my what's the name here? I don't know what's going on here. Okay, so this is Cardona here. What price could do? Price could reject this first area. Let me see if I can maybe go to the 4 hour and see, show you guys a bigger picture of it, or even the daily. All right, even the daily here. Okay, so this is Cardona, right? I either want price to come down here to this first blue zone and reject and go up, or come down to the second area of interest and go up, or price could come all the way back down to the bottom of this area of interest and start going up. So those are three scenarios that you can look at when it comes to Cardona or getting in buying position, because I think um, um, Cardona is going to be going to the upside, which it is right now. It's just that I'm waiting for a better position on the pullback, because it has to make a pullback. And the reason why I'm bullish on Cardona is because um, if we go to, let me see, if we go to the weekly here, as you can see, price has a bullish engulfing over that candle there. And then on the daily, you can see that Cardona created a higher high. All right, we was basically creating lower lows, right? We was creating, lower lows, lower high, lower low, uh, maybe a high, low, well, could say a low, lower high, lower low, right? And your price came all the way above this structure here and created a higher high. So now I'm only looking for buying position on Cardona. We just created a higher high. Now we're looking for a potential. Um, we just created a higher high. So now we're looking for a potential higher low, either off of this zone here to the upside, or off of this area of interest, a higher low on this area of interest here to the upside, or price coming back all the way down here to create another higher low. So I'm looking for I'm looking for positions on any of these area of interest, and that could be that potential higher low, so we can create and ride it up to the next higher high, basically. Okay. Um, I'm also looking at let me see. I think I'm also looking at XRP. Um, this is another potential buy for XRP. So I'm waiting for a pullback into the in this anywhere in this area to the upside. All right. So yeah, that's about it right now. I'm still marking up some more charts. And Sunday the market's about to open, so I'm going to be marking up some more charts. But pay attention to my stories on Instagram. I post a lot of my setups on my stories, and if you guys, like I said before earlier, if you guys want to be able to just copy my trades from the EA automatically over to your account hands free, then I only charge a one-time fee of $500. That's it. All right. A lot of my people, a lot of my clients, um, paid the $500 fee and made their money back in one day or in a couple of days. So don't think about how much it costs. Think about how much money you can make. Okay. And I show a lot of proof and a lot of profits on my stories as well. So make sure you go head over to Instagram, follow me, and hit that bell button so that way you won't miss any good setups. Okay. Now, um, I will be marking up some more charts, but If you got any value from this video, let me know in the comment section if you got some value. But I will be keeping you guys updated on these pairs. But I'm just waiting for price to create my strategy at my area of interest. Okay, so with that being said, I'm Andre Ketna here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I will see you guys on the internet. Take care, y'all.